Hello guys, hope you are doing fine. We are diving today into the PYTH Airdrop. PYTH is a coin with a funny name, that's for sure, but it's a coin on Solana network that is poised to be another Tia, another Celestia, which I covered yesterday, I think, or before yesterday. Anyways, it's a very big project with a very easy steps to stake on Solana network. So if you already have a Phantom wallet, you've got some Solana loaded, which I covered in many videos, then you're good to go. Literally gonna take 2-3 minutes, and you can potentially earn from like 350 roughly to 10,000, even 100,000 if all those airdrops go as predicted, more or less, because PYTH is now about 38 cents. You would need about 1,000 of them. That's just an estimate, to be completely honest, but that is roughly the amount that would give you the best chance. Obviously the more the better, but this is a reasonable assumption that it can go really good, really high this year. And with all those airdrops and more to come, probably you can have a chance to get even to 100k from a 1,000 PYTH, which is about 350 deposit. On top of it, obviously the coin can grow as well. So as you can see, it is a bit stalling here, ups and downs from 30 cents back in November, 38 now. But let's just dive right into it. Please like and subscribe, it would help a lot. And if you have any questions, join our Telegram where we talk about these coins and everything if you are unsure. And also you have a checklist below the video, exactly step by step how to join this airdrop. So as I mentioned, the price is a bit stalled, but the coin is poised to be very good. Basically the airdrops are the key here, and it's building all the hype, very important now. So number one, you get the Phantom wallet. If you didn't have the Phantom wallet yet, download it. You can buy some Solana straight here in the wallet. You can click buy Solana and it will take you to pages that will ask you for some details, and they will deposit the money. Once we have the Solana in our wallet, go to Jupiter, sorry, they're doing Jupiwari now, the final sprint. They're going to do another airdrop as well very soon. So if you use this website, you have a chance to get into the airdrop. Obviously you have to use it quite a lot, but you just simply connect your wallet on top when you already have it, and choose PYTH, which I'm going to post the exact link down below in the checklist as well. So let's just buy like something like 0.2. I will need to keep adding the PYTH to have more of it, but let's just buy something like that. Swap it, confirm it, and you're good to go. And we've got PYTH already. That's as simple as that. All you need is some Solana, and we'll be covering many projects on Solana, so you're definitely gonna need some more. And definitely Solana is a very interesting coin that will grow. Now we go into staking page as well below the video, all the links, and you've got something like that. There are epochs. Epochs is just a period of time, 7 days, where you have to stake it for this basically this time. So now I've got balance 0. Let me try and refresh it, because I should have now already in the wallet the ones that I bought. So I've got 43 here, yeah. So I'm going to deposit all of it, stake it for a week, confirm it. Remember, the transaction fee is very low on Solana, but still you have to have some Solana always, couple dollars worth at least of Solana. Deposits locked, everything is fine now. So this token in principle gives you obviously the chance to participate in governance. Governance is basically voting for some changes. If you want, if you know somebody proposes some changes, there are none available at the moment, but if there would be, you can vote. The more coins you stake, obviously the higher your voice in voting, the stronger, and that's it. But those airdrops are also extremely important. Hopefully will make us some money. So my end game, my goal is to just keep piling those airdrops, keep adding those coins, obviously checking what's going on and making sure those coins are solid, sharing with you, and hopefully in the end of this year or in a couple of months we'll have some money. But always remember, if you make some money, take the profits. If you, let's say, earn those airdrops, check the prices and try to sell them as well with profit. Leave something maybe for longer run, but don't treat it as a long-term thing. Just make sure you check it every now and then what's going on. So thank you guys for watching, and any questions, let me know.